Handling, as a Raymond lift truck dealer, sells some of the most efficient lift trucks in the world. So efficiency is already part of our story. And so we wanted a way to bring more efficiency to not just products we sell, but also our operations.
So here at Andersen Material Handling, about 80% of our rental fleet is electric forklifts. We have about 20 chargers running on a daily basis. We have welders running and a lot of other electrical tools running in the background.
And we utilize a process and a culture called Raymond Lean Management. And that is taking existing processes and cutting out some unnecessary waste and reducing internal and external costs.
Michigan has one of the highest electric rates in the Midwest, and what we also see is the highest electric rate increases.
At first I was skeptical with Michigan and solar, but after I investigated with the help of Michigan Solar Solutions, I became convinced that this was the best thing for Andersen Material Handling.
Solar is an added improvement to our journey by taking our already improved processes and adding one more layer on top of it.
Our partners at Michigan Solar Solutions showed us how this solar installation will defray about 85% of our total electricity usage from the grid.
We found a year one, they will offset 70.2 metric tons of carbon dioxide.
We like to think about RLM as a product, but it's really not just a product. It is a philosophy that we like to live by here at Andersen. Long-term thinking, continuous improvement, and respect for people. But it is also a commitment that we are giving to each and every one of our customers and our own people.